Hello, welcome to Trees Craft Some More. Today we're going to be organizing a cabinet, and we're going to take this top cabinet up here with all the chemicals, and we're going to move it all under the sink, the kitchen sink. Now underneath my sink I have the white contact paper that I put down just recently, and this vinyl that doesn't stick, it just lays on there, and it's a vinyl top liner. I got this at the dollar store, and then the contact paper I got at Walmart. And I put this down, and we've never really had anything under the sink, just a bucket when there was a leak. And recently the wood on the flooring was replaced. My husband did that. So I've decided to put my chemicals down here and make it just a lot more convenient. These cabinets sit really far back. I don't know if I can show you with the camera or not. It's kind of hard to see, but it's so far back that you need a stool or a chair to get back to the back of the cabinet. And the top shelf up there, I can't even get to the front of the cabinet without a stool. So hopefully this will make it more convenient and give you any kind of helpful hints for somebody else who has small storage space. And right now I'm gonna get all this out of the cabinet and the top shelf, and then I'm gonna get started on it. Okay, it's all cleared out. Alright, so I have the lower cabinet done. And I put contact paper down after I took the old off and washed it out really good. And the walls and the bottom, and then I put this paper down. So next is the top shelf. Alright, the first thing we're going to be putting under the sink is my grocery bags. And I have this Tupperware container that I got at Walmart. This idea is Liz Fenwick DIY, and it is a really cool idea. And it's got the opening, I'm sorry, I don't know if I'm on the camera, opening. And you take your grocery bags and you start shoving them down in the container, one at a time. And this just happens to be how many I've got left right now, but you can cram more in here. And then you put the lid back on, you open it up, and when you want one, you pull it out, one at a time. And this is a really cool idea, very convenient. So I'm going to go ahead and put this under the sink. Okay, this basket I got at the dollar store. And these hooks I got, let's see, holds 1 pound, removable hooks, they stick on. I got these at the dollar store. I've already used one for something else. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach these hooks inside my cabinet, like in here, and then I'm going to hang the basket on the hooks. After attaching the hooks, I'm going to use this for a scrubbing brush. Next I'll be using this little holder here. I don't know what the title of this is. Mop and broom holder, which that's what it's designed for, as you can see on the picture. And I think it's particularly designed to use for Dollar Trees. This is where I got it, from Dollar Tree. but I'm going to be using it in my cabinet, in the wall over here. I'm going to be using it for my duster and my blind cleaner, even though I don't have these blinds anymore. Don't want to throw it away. And that's all I got right now for it, but you know, I should have one more thing in case I want to add. And this just sticks to whatever you put it on. You don't have to use any nails or anything. And I've got that all hung up. So now I'm gonna continue on. I've started to put some stuff. I have my Tupperware container in here, and I've got a basket from the dollar store and another basket from the dollar store, and I'm gonna start filling that up. And there's the final thing in my cabinet. As you can see, I've got the rack for my scrubber. The very back container is got my bug sprays in it, and the front one has some extra Swifters for the floor, trash bags, that kind of thing. I have my container for the grocery bags, and then I have my container for my cleaning chemicals and polishers, and then the rack on the side for my dusters. And I hope you liked my video, and I hope this was helpful to you. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you for watching.